So in today's video we're looking at traditional ponds in the UK, and one of my friends on YouTube, Brian, or Aquatic Colledge as he's known on YouTube, has sent me over a video link. Let's check that out now.
Hi Mark, I'm Brian from Warrington, also known as Aquatic Colledge on YouTube. I need your advice. Basically, I'm designing a koi pond, making it bigger. It is 13 foot by 9 foot and 4 foot deep. Currently I have it with a basic pond liner with rocks around the edge, which is like the UK style, but I'm looking at trying to do it American style, where they have it all rocked out with gravel. The only thing is, I've had horror stories about people that have had nitrate spikes and it harbours all the fish waste. So I just need your opinion on what you would do. Basically I've got a small box filter and a pump that sits in the pond. So if you could let me know what you do, it'd be very much appreciated. Thanks again.
So first of all, what I'd like to say, Brian, is thanks for reaching out, and let's go and have a look at some ecosystem or American style ponds, as you'd like to put it. And we'll just walk across to this ecosystem pond. So what we've got here is we've got an ecosystem pond that's approximately 14 foot by 14 foot, so it's slightly bigger than what you've got. If you've got a traditional koi pond, or you're looking to change a traditional koi pond in the UK to a more of American style pond, it's very difficult, because if you literally simply put rocks and gravel into a traditional pond with a pump in the bottom of the pond and a box filter on the side, what you're actually doing is you're sucking the waste down towards the gravel. On an American style system, you've basically got a skimmer cove, which is over here. I've actually got two skimmers on this one because this is a prototype in my garden, and back at the time when I put this in, probably about 3 years ago, we could only fit one of our traditional UK pumps in one skimmer, so I actually put two on to run the two pumps, and we've got two waterfall filters over on the far side there. As you can see, one's here and one's at the top there, so we've got two pumps, two skimmers and two waterfall filters, rocks and gravel on the bottom of the pond. But the key thing with these American ponds is to make sure that you're removing the mechanical waste. So that means having a skimmer on the side. If I had a pump in the bottom of this pond and it was drawing waste down to the bottom, yeah, you're going to get a lot of waste, in that gravel, in those rocks, and basically it would be a nightmare. As you can see on this pond, there's lots and lots of plants as well. It's a balanced ecosystem, and in this time of the year, as you can see, you've got submerged weed, you've got floating plants, you've got marginal plants, and also you've got pond or damp water plants at the back there, because the liner actually comes up the back, and it's actually different, and the pigeons are queuing up now as I'm sitting here because they want to come and have a drink. But let's get back to this video. So what I would do in your scenario is either redesign what you've got and rebuild what you've got. I would not put rocks and gravel and a pump at the bottom of your pond. If you want to have rocks and gravel in the pond, then I would definitely incorporate an intake bay or a skimmer to basically remove the mechanical waste away from the bottom of the pond. If I had what you've got at the moment, a pump and a box filter, I would actually rebuild the pond and put a skimmer in or an intake bay on the side of the pond, because you can always upgrade to waterfall filtration at a later stage. So I would actually use the box filter until I could afford a much better waterfall filter. And hopefully that's helped you a little bit. And just think of these systems as a river system or a gravel pit system, and it's all about the mechanical waste. Don't just dump a pump in the bottom. It's never going to pump leaves, so the leaves just basically sit around the pump and then they fall off, and it's an absolute nightmare. Let's go underwater now and have a look for yourself. This is absolutely fantastic. What we've got in here is we've got a mixture of different species of fish. We've got goldfish, we've got white goldfish, we've got brown goldfish, we've got rudd, we've got golden rudd. Look at this gravel, it looks fantastic. There's biofilm on the gravel. There's a little bit of waste in the gravel, but there's certainly not going to be any nitrate spikes with this amount of plant in here. Now, the simplest form of plant food is actually ammonia. Also, another thing, this particular pond is about 3 foot deep, so it's not 4 foot deep. If you've got a 4 foot deep pond, you need to have return jets or something flowing up and keeping the waste off the bottom, off the gravel. And basically the fish, koi, will go over and turn that gravel over. We've actually got no koi in this particular pond because we've got far too many other small little fish in this pond. So I'd just like to say, Brian, thanks for sending me over the video, and also to my YouTube subscribers. I'm coming close to 10,000 subscribers as I'm recording this video, and I want to thank you all personally for following my journey, and stay tuned because I've got a lot of more exciting stuff coming along the way. And if you're not subscribed already, that's okay, just carry on watching, I appreciate it. In the box now is a couple more videos that I'd like you to watch, and if you love what I'm doing, put a comment in the section below, and if you want to be like Brian and send me over a video message, I'll personally thank you and reply with a video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.